A new study shows that Singaporeans prefer the country to reopen more slowly amid the pandemic in order to minimise deaths. That's compared to a faster reopening at the expense of lives. The Institute of Policy Studies report tracked the attitudes of about 500 people for each wave of infections from July to November. Now let's take a closer look. When presented with the options of a slow reopening with fewer deaths or a fast reopening with more fatalities, at least 8 in 10 preferred the slower reopening. Views fluctuated on whether Singapore is on the right track to reopening safely. Confidence was highest in July, but that gradually slipped in tandem with a rise in COVID-19 infections here. It stabilised at 56% at the end of last month. That sentiment was largely mirrored when people were asked if they were satisfied with the way the government was handling the pandemic. Satisfaction dipped to its lowest in September and in October. That's before improving in the past month.
Despite the fact that we are moving and reopening, there will always be strategies to calibrate this. The government is ensuring that there's close monitoring of cases and deaths. And if people can be assured that that will happen, I think that would help to increase people's confidence that we could live with the virus.
As for safe management measures like regular testing, mask wearing and vaccinations, about 9 in 10 believe that these would lower their chances of catching the virus. But overall, more people increasingly find the measures inconvenient, with pre-event testing topping the charts. Wearing masks all the time is also seen as inconvenient. Younger respondents and those earning more generally support an easing of measures. They're also more open to engaging in social activities. The paper attributed this to their willingness to take risks and their ability to cope financially should they be infected.
As more begin to step out, life begins to get back to more normality, I think people begin to ease into the fact that if I can take some of these measures, ensure that I get my boosters vaccinated, ensure I keep to whatever is prevailing safe management guidelines, then I will be able to be safe and be able to weather through this.